Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now I decided to make a pair of Nike Blazers on Nike by You. Now if you guys don't know what Nike by You is, it used to be called Nike ID. It's where you can go on Nike, get a pair of shoes, customize it, change the materials, the colors, and really just make your one-of-one, super unique custom shoe. And bam, the Nike Blazer Mid in the 3M material. This is the colorway I came up with. I just wanted something very simple, but still stand out, so white and black colorways. You guys can see this quilted like material up on this 3M fabric. You can see the stitching running through it. So I went with white, and then you do have the 3M reflective on the Nike swoosh, as well as the heel tab with this little strip as well. A nice white colorway that obviously in the right lighting is gonna flash a little bit and draw some extra attention. Not that I'm seeking attention, but as sneakerheads, I think we always like just breaking necks, getting compliments on shoes. I know a lot of people pretend to be perfect and so humble and act like they don't care about compliments. I think everyone likes to be complimented. It just makes you feel better. Now some other details, you do have your little strip right here in this leather material in black, also running up the lace lining. So you have a white tongue with a black tab up at the top with the Nike logo in white. I decided to just go with some white laces. I think adding the laces to match the upper and the midsole was just a smart move. So making this a primarily all white shoe with your few hints of black and silver. With the custom IDs, you are able to add some little features, some little text. And with that being said, I threw in some numbers on the back of the tongue. You already know what it is. That is 3 9s, not 3 6s. So get it right. I'm not trying to be arrogant, but I think I did really well on this colorway. Now, I did do just a black outsole. I thought if I did the outsole white, it'd just be too much white going on, and it's more visible as far as dirt goes, so it's just not as attractive. And then the gum bottom option, I decided to pass up on, even though I really like the gum bottom look. Just because I feel like it's solid black and white colorway, I might as well just like keep it that way and just not add any extra colors. But yeah, I gotta be honest with you guys, I think I did really well on this shoe. So when I got this shoe out the box, I liked it that much that I put it straight to foot, wore it all day, and then I did get an on foot look. So with that being said, let's take a look at these on feet.
She put it in the carpet, she won't stop the call. Yeah, yeah. Camo like the armor, bathing ain't my body. Yeah, yeah. Camo like the armor, bathing ain't my body. Cocaine leather seeds, muddy drink that lean. Yeah, she swallowed me, my chopper got some cheese. Bitch, I'm a monster, banging on my chest. My slime gon' get you next, just watch me flex. Bitch, I'm in a scat, I burn gas like a jet. Pretty will swallow the bean, pretty will sucking on me. Smoking cookie dream, my little. Can't imagine where you're going till you know where you've been. Where I lived, you never been and you don't know how it feels. Politics is everywhere, just look around where you're in. Tribulation, baby, I ain't got the time to forget. Can't imagine where you're going till you know where you've been. Where I lived, you never been and you don't know how it feels. Politics is everywhere, just look around where you're in. Tribulation, baby, I ain't got the time to forget. Feeling lonely from our loved ones, all these thoughts in our heads. How you
and bam. Again, the Nike Blazer, custom Nike by You. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.